Hello, viewers. Thank you for watching my program. So today is very important topic for us. So let's jump to the topic. So here I will use comment by typing hash, which is data out. Okay, if we type uh, my data, so let's create a program that shows our data. So set a variable with name. Here will write input, enter your name. Okay, so this is age. We will set variable. In this case, we want that user input number, integer number. So here we type integer short form, then type input, and then write enter your age. Okay, so here is it. So what is your income? Okay, we will set it variable name income. In this case we will write using float. So here we put method and then enter your income. So now we will print name. Okay, then we will write here print your age. Okay, a little bit changing in our this program. So I will write here your name is, okay, comma. Now again your age is, okay, and comma. Okay. Now we will print your your income is, okay. Right, will comma. Here we will write income. So let's see our program is how working. So enter your name, science. Enter your age, 120. Enter your salary, $25,000. Yes, it is working. So this by using these uh, lines of codes, you can create your data or any uh, you can use it for your program or use in data entry. So by changing these values, you can create as many as possible. So thank you for watching. Please like and share. Thank you.